Alright, welcome back to Jeopardy, the statistics show. We are on our final category, test of significance. Our two contestants are tied with 0 points each. Let's hope they get one right. Alright, we flipped a coin backstage, and Sarah, you get to pick first.
I'll take a Nova for 500.
I'm sorry, Sarah, we've already completed that category. Try again.
Oh, test of significance for 100.
Alright, test of significance, 100. This answers the question of whether a sample mean reflects the population mean. You do this by the null and alternative hypothesis.
What is the significance test?
Correct. What is the significance test? Back to the board, Alexa. This one's your choice.
Test of significance for 300.
Alright, test of significance, 300. This is used to find the probability that the null and alternative hypothesis are true.
What is the p-value?
What is the p-value? That is correct. Back to the board. Sarah, this one's your choice.
Test of significance for 200.
Alright, test of significance, 200. When a p-value is less than 0.05.
What is statistically significant?
And she got it out. That is correct. Back to the board, Sarah. Choose another category.
I'll take test of significance for 500.
Alright, test of significance, 500. When the alternative hypothesis is when the mean doesn't equal 0.
What is a two-sided alternative hypothesis test?
That is correct. Alexa's catching up. Back to the board. Choose your next question. Alright, there's only one left. You can do this.
I think I'll go with test of significance for 400.
400, alright. When the alternative hypothesis is when the mean is greater than 0 or when the mean is less than 0.
What is a one-sided alternative hypothesis test?
That is correct. And that is all the time we have for now. When we come back after commercials, we will be doing the final Jeopardy round. Welcome back, contestants. We are on to our final round, the final Jeopardy. Our contestants with Alexa with 1,000 points and Sarah has 500. All right, contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, the final question is... All right. Diet Colas use artificial sweeteners to avoid sugar. These sweeteners gradually lose their sweetness over time. Manufacturers, therefore, test new colas for loss of sweetness before marketing them. Trained testers sip the cola along with other drinks of standard sweetness and score the cola on a sweetness score of 1 to 10. The cola is then stored for a month at high temperatures to imitate the effect of 4 months storage at room temperature. Each taster scores the cola again after storage. This is a matched pairs experiment. Our data at the differences, scores before storage minus scores after storage, and the taster scores. The bigger the difference, the bigger the loss of sweetness. Here are the sweetness losses for a new cola as measured by 10 trained testers. Most are positive, that is, most tasters found a loss of sweetness, but the losses are small and 2 tasters, the negative scores, thought the cola gained sweetness. Now contestants, is this data good enough evidence that the cola lost sweetness in storage? Go.
So I'm going to start by finding the average sweetness loss, or the mean of the sample, by adding up all of the sweetness scores and dividing it by the number, which is 10. So I get 1.02. The hypotheses are, let's see, the null hypothesis is when m is equal to 0, so there's no change in sweetness. And when the alternative hypothesis is when m is greater than 0, or the cola does not lose sweetness. The sample standard deviation. Find that by doing the standard deviation divided by n, the square root of n, so 1 over the square root of 10, which gets me about 0.316. Then I'll find the z-score, which is the sample mean minus the mean divided by the sample standard deviation. So it's 1.02 minus 0 over 0.316, which gets me 3.23. In table A, that corresponds with 0.994. And so my p-value is going to be, because it's greater than, 1 minus 0.994, which equals 0.0006.
All right, contestants, time is up. Alexa, can you please show us your wager? All right, you were wagering 2 points. All right. Now show us your answer, Alexa.
My answer is that I don't drink soda, so I don't know how to do this problem.
Okay. I'm sorry, Alexa, but that is incorrect. You now have 998 points. Sarah, please show us your wager. 500 points. All right, Sarah, show us your answer.
My answer is the p-value is 0.0006. This says that 10 tasters would have an average score as large as 1.02, only 6 in 10,000 tries. This is strong enough evidence against the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis. And since the p-value is less than 0.05 and 0.01, then this data is statistically significant at both the 5% and the 1% level.
Sarah, that is correct. You are the winner by 2 points. Congratulations. All right, contestants, thanks for playing. It's been Jeopardy! The Statistics Show. Sarah, congrats on your winnings. Alexa, congrats on losing.
2 points.
All right, and this has been Jeopardy!
The Statistics Show.